The following segment is sponsored by FH Fur. When it comes to being a homeowner, there's always things we need to do in order to keep up with our home, and HVAC maintenance is certainly an item that needs to be on the top of the list. This week we're discussing HVAC maintenance and why it's important for every homeowner, especially for those who are looking to add value to your place. Did you know that HVAC maintenance can help you sell your home faster? When selling your home, you need as many incentives as possible to tempt the buyer. Most people invest in some new carpeting or a fresh coat of paint and straightening up an otherwise disorderly room. One of the ways you can add value is by having your HVAC maintained. When a buyer asks questions, it's nice to hear that everything has been updated or well maintained, including the HVAC system. As a buyer, one of the biggest concerns when shopping for a new home is what they need to repair and replace after they move in. They want something that's livable now. If you've already done the HVAC maintenance for them, they'll be more inclined to buy at a higher price with the confidence that nothing will break down unexpectedly. Finally, no matter how much you've upgraded your home for the benefit of potential buyers, there's always a chance that it might not sell immediately. With this in mind, having your HVAC regularly maintained will assure that it stays efficient and in working condition, which will keep your utility bills lower. The less you spend on utilities, the more you can save up for the next home you purchase. For these reasons alone, getting your HVAC maintained is worth the investment. Selling your home is stressful, so check one worry off the list and get your HVAC system maintained by experts today.
Summer is just around the corner. Is your cooling system ready? Right now, we're celebrating our 40th anniversary by offering our HVAC inspection for just $40. Get peace of mind that your system will work when you need it most.
FHFur.com